Do you remember that Bollinger strategy that I was sharing with you in the previous video? The one titled My Deep Love for the Bollinger Bands and How I Trade the Bollinger Bands. If you haven't watched that video, I go over a reversal trade where I'm looking for price to break out above the upper Bollinger Band or below the lower Bollinger Band. And then I'm waiting for a confirmation of a cross back over the 20-period linear regression line. This gold dashed line is the 20-period linear regression line. I coded this Bollinger reversal trade several years ago. I've always had good backtesting results with it. That's why I'm a big fan of this strategy. For all the different strategies that I have in my playbook, I try to code as many of them as possible in Strategy Builder, and I like to use Strategy Analyzer to potentially help me make it even better. But just trading this reversal strategy that I fully explained in the previous video, let me show you some of the backtesting results. This is just the past 7 weeks of trading from January 8th to March 1st. I didn't want to get the first week of January, and I didn't want to get most of December because the price action was just so much different. I'm more interested in getting an idea of the recent current markets and the kind of volatility that's been going on in the recent markets. That helps me better gauge what my take profit levels might want to be and any adjustments I want to make to my Bollinger Band period, the multiplier period, or the period of the linear regression line. But I like to stick with the basics, my go-to. I like the 20-period Bollinger Band with a 2 for the deviation, and I like the 20-period linear regression line. So going for a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio, stop of 110 ticks, profit of 220 ticks. So a stop of a little less than 30 points and a profit target of 50-some points. Testing the NQ 1-minute chart. Even after commissions, trading only one regular NQ contract, this made over $22,000 in 7 weeks. And that's why I pay attention to this Bollinger reversal strategy. I'm taking this kind of trade setup on the regular. Even if I test it, for my usual 10-point scalps with a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, 40 ticks on the NQ is 10 points. Still pulling in $2,500, trading just one contract. If I double that, go for 20 points, 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Now I'm at almost $8,000 after commissions. So this can help give me a little bit more confidence to possibly hold on to trades a little bit longer. Although the markets are always changing and none of these backtesting past performance results are guaranteed in the future. But time and time again, every time I've backtested this, it's pretty dang easy to get some profitable results. I've already tested it in market replay and on sim accounts in live markets. I don't auto trade on any of my real accounts. I just don't trust robots. Got trust issues with the robots. And I just like the challenge of manually trading. And I like to have full control over where I put my stops and my take profits. So I'm not just looking at this one strategy. I'm factoring in a lot of different things when I'm taking my trades. You can test this out for yourself with the free built-in NinjaTrader indicators. Just load up some Bollinger Bands and a linear regression line. You're good to go. You can code that up in Strategy Builder just like I did. You're just looking for a cross below the upper Bollinger Band, and then you want price to close below the linear regression line, and then the opposite for the way up. And if you need some help figuring out Strategy Builder, I made an entire step-by-step video on how to build a strategy in Strategy Builder and use it with Strategy Analyzer. And if you're wondering how I get my charts to look so dang sexy, I'm using the NINZA Superior Bollinger Band indicator and also the Moving Average Crossover. Moving Average Crossover is painting the candles red and green when it's above or below the linear regression line. And the Superior Bollinger Band is printing these blue and pink candles when we're breaking out of the range. It just personally helps me to visualize things. Not necessary, but it definitely helps. There's links in the description if you're interested in learning more. And if you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.